Mike. Everybody go to the ball field. Go.
Ready.
It's sack race time.
You won't see one frown on a day of Campardy. Come on, big hops, big hops!
What are you guys doing now?
We're having a balloon toss. It's freezing.
Nice catch.
Here's our winners right here.
Back on the game show. Right now we've got our third graders up. We're going to see just how well they can do. Game Show Mania. Which rank is higher in the Army? Yellow.
Colonel.
Colonel is incorrect. Red.
General.
General is correct.